LPG will become a reality to most of the households in Kenya and avert all the health problems that we continue to face in use of other fossil fuel, firewood, charcoal, etc.
We've had a big problem on the demand or supply side where there's insufficient products and insufficient stocks to meet the demand side. So I'm encouraging actors in your industry, the oil independents. We are talking to people like Jack here and many others with a view to encouraging them to list so we can continue to democratize wealth.